Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to Best Blessed Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare onugbu soup. This is it. I have been taking my time to do this video. It has been a long time schedule, and I did the first one and there was error. So today we are going to prepare our traditional onugbu soup. So this time I'm going to show you what we are going to use and step by step on how I prepare the onugbu soup. The first ingredients we are going to use is this is a powdered cocoyam, but I'm not sure it's 100% cocoyam. But because I live in Europe and I can't find fresh cocoyam, and I don't have any means to get it, so I'm using the powdered one. This is around 1.5 cup, and this is my onugbu bitter leaf, and that there is my cow meat. This is my melusa. Look at it, is fresh melusa. This is my dry fish here. This hand is Ghana fresh. I put it in the freezer, so I cut some parts to use to prepare this soup. This is my crayfish here. This is around a cup of crayfish, and that's my bonnet pepper here. So don't be afraid of using the quantity you want. This quantity can give you the taste you want. This is my cow leg stock meat, okporoko from my own dialect. So the special, not everybody like to put this ogiri, locust beans. Not sure, don't remember the name, please guys, sorry, pardon me. And that's my salt here. So I'm gonna use some of the oil. So while preparing my oil, my meats and my stock, I'm going to use 1 onions. So this is my pressure cooking pot. I have added my stockfish. Then I will add this is bonnet. I will add my meats. I will cook it for about 5 minutes because it's pressure cooking pot. It won't take time to be ready. So my water now. Sorry guys, do you know I forgot to introduce my nail cubes? So I'm gonna add about 3, maybe in this soup I'll add 3 cubes. Okay, so I'll add my onions. I've added my salt and the pepper and every other thing. Yeah, you can say that sweet paprika. So I will add a little bit because I normally add it for color, like a teaspoon. It's not too much. Sorry guys, maybe it's too much, but it's exactly the quantity I want. It's around tablespoon. This very pot I have added my melusa to cook for. It's not. I'm not gonna cook it for a very long time. I'm going to cook it for just 2 minutes. I will cover it now to steam. Immediately steam for about 1 minute. I will remove it from the fire and put it in my deep fryer. So I have added salt and a nut cube, and in this my pot I have added the onions, and I don't think I will add another thing. I have added salt, I've added my nut cube, and I have added my paprika. so I will let it to cook for like 5 minutes. So in my cocoyam, I have mixed oil and water together to mix them together. Sorry guys. So it's not a must I must put all the cocoyam. You can equally mix this with a mix. It's ready. I didn't cook it more than 5 minutes so that it will not be too much soft. Then I will transfer it to the pot. I'm going to add more water to use to cook it and add my meat to the deep fryer to fry it. So guys, this is my stock. The same amount of water is the same amount of the stock. So this is what is inside this pot now. I will let it to boil. I will spice it and then add my Ghana fresh. I'll add my Ghana fresh now. So everything is hot right now. I will also add my blended pepper. So guys, I'm going to my mixed cocoyam. Sorry. Right now. Okay. So I finished adding all of them inside the soup, and I will cover it for 5 minutes again to boil, and I will add every other thing. I will add my locust beans and other things. Guys, now you have to add the locust beans. It's called Ogili akwụkwọ in our dialect. Crayfish. Sorry about the noise in the background though. This is my crayfish right now. This is stockfish, yeah. So I will let it to boil very well before I can add my other meat, and I'll add my onugbu. So this is BestBlesskitchen. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video, thumbs up, and send it to your friends, families, okay? For my new subscribers, I appreciate you guys very well. For my old ones, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much, and continue watching, okay? So these are the next step. I will bring my meat now. While we wait for it to be boiled properly, we're gonna add this meat. I have already fried it. It's good. Sometimes I like fried meats a lot. I don't want to see my meat alive in the soup. I like to chew it fried or roasted. So in my last video, I roasted the meat. It's almost like the same. Like this is a deep frying. It's not a shallow fry. It's a deep frying. So you can choose to fry your meat. And this is my cow skin. If I said it correct, either from cow skin or cow hair. I don't remember, but it's momo, like our people used to call it. So wait for some minutes before we add the meat, then the vegetables, okay? So guys, cube it if you want. Cube it in smaller pieces so that I can pick it one by one if your children like it. Mine don't like, not all of them like it. My Maggi cubes. I forgot. It's 2 Maggi cubes. So in this soup, like, I use a total of I think 4, 5, yeah. So I'm adding my meats. I'll add the meat now. Please, guys, test it if you have enough salt. So, guys, add your bitter leaf, okay? And let it boil for another 5 minutes. Your soup is ready. Put the pepper as your heart desire. The quantity of pepper you need to put is your choice, and because it's onugbu soup, you need small pepper. Like me, this soup is very delicious. I like pepper soup. I like soup that have pepper. Mamma mia. Please, you can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. Okay? You cover it to boil for a little bit, and then it's ready. So guys, the onugbu soup is ready right now, and we're done. Please, guys, support your girl, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is Best Blessed Kitchen Health and Beauty blog. Thank you, bye bye.